guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be reviewing slime and squishies that I bought from Wish. This was actually my first time buying anything off of Wish, so I am pretty excited about today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy watching it. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. With that all being said now, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, first off, I'm going to be showing you these slimes that I bought. This is the first one, and it is a fluffy slime in 3 different colors. So we have pink, yellow, and blue. I opened up the container and I immediately noticed that the slime was completely dried out. Like, it wasn't even slime at this point, and it took me a while to even take it out of the container because the slime would keep breaking apart, as you can see. I don't even think that I need to say anything about this slime anymore because it obviously was a huge fail. Next, we have this purple slime that was for $2. Now, in the description, it says that it's a fluffy slime, but I would definitely say that this was a butter slime. I took the slime out of the container, and in the beginning, it was a little bit sticky, but once I started playing with it, it was completely fine. This slime straight up feels like model magic, and honestly, that is the best way that I can describe it. It was super spreadable, and overall, I really like this one. The next slime that I bought was a clear green slime with fruit slices. I cannot remember how much this slime was. I think it was for $1, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, this one came super sticky, so I took it out of the container. I tried playing with it again just to see if that would make a difference, but clearly that did not change anything at all, so I went ahead and I reactivated the slime. After reactivating this, it honestly felt like homemade slime. It was so stretchy and so much fun to play with. So next we have this purple clear slime, and I immediately saw that half of the container was actually empty, so that was a huge bummer. But when I opened up the container, I was even more disappointed because this slime was so bad. It was so rubbery, and I tried to stretch it, but it would keep breaking apart, and yeah, this was a huge fail. This is the last slime that I got from Wish. It is a metallic slime, and this one, when I took it out of the container, it was beautiful. You can see the purple and blue going on, which is so pretty. This slime was a little bit rubbery and it wasn't as stretchy, but nonetheless, it was really fun to play with, and I would definitely consider this a hit. Now I'm going to show you guys the squishies that I bought from Wish. This is the first one, and it is a super cute Bun Squishy. The quality of this squishy was amazing. It was so soft and very slow rising, as you guys can see here, and I'm obsessed with this squishy. I think it's so cute. Then I got this Doughnut Squishy that was for $2, and for the price, I think this squishy was really awesome. It was in perfect condition, it was soft, and it was also squishy. As you guys may know, you can get free stuff from Wish, but you have to pay shipping. So I did pay shipping for this unicorn squishy, and this one was okay. Like, it wasn't super soft, it wasn't slow rising at all, but for the price I paid, I do think it was super cute and worth it. I also bought this Sushi Squishy from Wish, and this one is so adorable. I love the design. It also came with a ball chain. This one is very squishy, but it's not as slow rising. But I do love this one so much. I think this one is my favorite out of all of the squishies that I bought. This is the second last squishy that I'm going to be showing you. It is a bear squishy that was for $2, and again, this one was really good quality for the price. I feel like Wish does have good squishies for like a really low price, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. The last squishy is this unicorn that's sitting on a moon, and I was so excited about this squishy, like I was so pumped, but unfortunately the squishy was defected. So on top of the blush you can see this pink mark, and then if I flip it to the back again, you'll see these little like pink marks on the squishy. So the quality of this one wasn't as good as the other ones that I showed you. The squishy like itself was nice, it was slow rising, it was soft, but the fact that it had these little marks on it was kind of a bummer to me, so I was really disappointed. And that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to see a part 2 of this video, let me know in a comment down below. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one.